In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a P2P B2B cryptocurrency account. Head to the website or the app, click on register, and then pop in your email address. Pop in a randomly generated password. I highly suggest you use randompasswordgenerator.com. And then make sure that you also include the following. Don't make this anything related to your personal information. Pop in your location, and then you'll be good to go. Sign up, pass the CAPTCHA verification, and that's basically it. You will receive a verification email or SMS if you choose the SMS thing. In this verification, make sure to copy the link or open it in your tab as I'm doing right now. And as you can see, all I have to do right now is pass the QYC and start my crypto journey. The QYC is basically either my ID, passport, or anything related to that. But once you do that, you'll be good to go. That's it for today's video, and goodbye.